Document Composition continued to receive enhancements in OnBase 17, building upon the extensive enhancements in OnBase 16 and creating more value for Document Composition customers. The first category of enhancements are to the template builder, affecting administrators and users with permission to create and maintain templates. Template administrators will immediately notice that the template builder tools have been updated. Extensive attention was paid to the experience for administrators in creating templates with less clicks and more intuitive groupings and arrangements. Creating placeholders has never been easier or faster. First, a new dropdown gives immediate visibility to all of the options available to the template administrator. They can pick from the list, and the appropriate tools for configuration of that type of placeholder will open. Here, I've chosen a keyword placeholder type. Once I filter the list by document type group and document type, I have a list of all of the available keywords for that document type. You now have the option to select multiple keywords or other inputs to auto-create new placeholders on the document. Once the placeholders are created, they are available from a placeholder panel on the right side of the template builder. From here, I can insert, edit, and delete placeholders from a consolidated interface. It's easier than ever before to maintain placeholders in a template. Updating the XML placeholder creation was a big project for OnBase 17. OnBase customers can now leverage XML output from business systems for more complex and sophisticated composed documents. While XML has long been a choice for users, configuration was not always intuitive. The updated XML placeholder creation brings increased ease of use when creating XML placeholders for users, the ability to click on Sample XML and generate the correct XPath, and the ability to create multiple XPath placeholders at once. Administrators can easily configure multiple output styles, choosing a table, single value, list, or image. Here you can see an example of each output style as it would appear in a template administrator in a template. And the same example as displayed in a composed document. This is how it appears when troubleshooting in Composition Preview mode. You may notice that the document preview mode looks a little different. That brings us to our next enhancement. The Composition Preview has been updated to ease troubleshooting by leveraging comments in the comment pane. Clicking on the comment will direct administrators to the correct placeholder and give information about the previewed data. This helps administrators who are working with complex templates. Now, building on the XML placeholder enhancements we saw previously, XML can also be leveraged to create placeholders for repeating and multi-level data. To eliminate the manual re-entry of placeholders and fragments for repeating data with XML as a source, the configuration is consolidated and easily configured. Creating templates with complex repeating data will take a fraction of the time in OnBase 17 over what it did in OnBase 16 or below. When XML is selected that has qualifying data for nested placeholders, the wizard automatically presents those options for selection. Nested placeholders can be easily selected. Here, the book information that is going to be inserted into the document will contain information on another level that contains information about the title, price, genre, and ISBN. This information will repeat for each book, but it's important that it's organized correctly for each individual book. Now that I've selected the nested placeholders, I need to configure an output style for each one. My options include a single value, which selects the first value in a results set if more than one are present, or an image, list, or table. The wizard enters my XPath for me, and I can leverage the familiar display styles that most administrators are accustomed to seeing for these placeholders. For the ISBN value, I'm going to select a different output style, so that it's formatted as a barcode. Barcode output was introduced in OnBase 16. And here you can see the repeating placeholder as it's shown to the administrator in a template. And here's the finished document. As you can see, for each book, you have repeating information listed, including the barcode with the ISBN information. This repeating nested placeholder is ideal for correspondence like policy documents, claims, and other complex documents using XML as a source. The final new placeholder for OnBase 17 is the Reporting Dashboards placeholder, with the ability to format data aggregated by reporting dashboards as a table or the first result of a single column. This placeholder could be especially useful for customers using reporting dashboards and want to leverage the data in a more structured document for board reports, C-level reporting, or any correspondence where the data would be instructive. For table placeholders, a new enhancement allows formatting to be preserved when composing a table. Previously, administrators could not specify general formatting on a table column. Now they can specify font properties like bold or italic, and paragraph properties like justification and highlighting. This allows administrators to create professional tables with specific output styles. The second category of enhancements affects composed documents and output files. A new preview setting enables administrators to provide editing capability for select placeholders only at the time the document is composed. At the time of preview, the user will be able to make changes to specified areas of the letter, but the rest of the letter will be locked down and not eligible for changes. This provides some flexibility for users that might need to make changes to imported data or may want to personalize the values, but they cannot add or delete information that's not authorized. The placeholders that are eligible for selection are available under the General Template settings. PDFA is here. Now, composed documents can be archived in OnBase or prepped for distribution in either the PDFA 1A or PDFA 1B format, in addition to the standard PDF format that's been available for many years. Many customer organizations have regulations that specify PDF archival format, and in this case, they now have 2 PDFA options. And finally, a new option allows the end user to view the composed document after it's archived in OnBase. This simplifies the process when the user is not finished working with the document or even wants to review what they've created. In the Unity client, the flexible document viewer allows the end user to sign the document or execute workflow tasks right from the ribbon, which gives greater flexibility to processes and can reduce end user training for certain tasks. Please see the additional technical training for more information about the document composition enhancements in OnBase 17. And as always, visit onbase.com/community for more information about these and other enhancements in OnBase 17.